In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, what information you'll need, and how to complete any required verification so your payouts land in the right place. Start by signing in to your Stripe account on the Stripe website. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Settings section. In the Business area, select Bank Accounts and Scheduling. This is where Stripe manages the bank account used for your payouts and any related scheduling preferences. If you're adding a new account, click Add Bank Account. If you're updating an existing one, click Edit. Keep in mind that changing payout details can temporarily pause payouts until the new information is verified, so it's best to do this when you can monitor your email and bank activity. Next, enter your bank details. The exact fields vary by country and currency, but typically you'll provide your bank's name, your bank account number, and either a routing number for U.S. accounts or the equivalent code for your region, such as an IBAN or a sort code. You'll also choose the account type, like checking or savings. Enter the numbers carefully without extra spaces, and make sure the name on the bank account matches the legal entity on your Stripe account to prevent delays. If your business operates in multiple currencies, be sure the account you're adding supports the currency of your payouts. When everything looks correct, save your details. For security, Stripe may ask you to verify your identity, approve a change via an email link, or complete two-factor authentication. Have your authentication device handy and confirm the update promptly so the process doesn't stall. It's a good idea to do this over a secure, private internet connection. Stripe may also ask you to verify the bank account itself. In many cases, Stripe sends a small deposit to your bank. Check your bank statement after a short delay, sometimes within a day or two, and note the exact amount. Return to your Stripe dashboard and enter that amount when prompted to confirm the account is valid for receiving payouts. If you don't see the deposit right away, give it a little time and confirm you entered the account numbers correctly. Once verified, your bank account will appear in the Bank Accounts and Scheduling section, and Stripe will use it for future payouts. That's it. Your bank details are now added and ready to go.